Hi, this is Tony with Rhinelander Auto Center. I'm going to walk through setting the clock on some of the Toyota models featuring the Entune radio systems. First thing you do is go to the home screen, pressing the home button. Next, you'll locate the little gear icon in the top right corner. That's your settings. You'll press that. Under the general options, you'll find the clock. Simply click clock and adjust the time for the hours, the minutes, as well as AM and PM. Sometimes the hours and minutes won't let you change them because the auto adjust is on. As you can tell, they're grayed out and not responsive. Once you turn the auto adjust off, you have access to changing the hours, minutes, as well as the AM and PM settings. Thanks.